Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 20A from chapter Cylinder, Cone and Sphere. So starting with question number 4, how many cubic meters of earth must be dug out to make a well 28 meter deep and 2.8 meter in diameter? Also find the cost of plastering its inner surface at rupees 4.5 per square meter. Now you have to dig a well. Okay, so let us imagine एक well है, ठीक है, you are digging a well. Now you are given a hint over here. How many cubic meters of earth must be dug? How many cubic meters of earth must be dug? Cubic meters मतलब मीटर क्यूब हो गया. This is unit for volume. Okay, so indirectly you are asked how much volume of earth must be dug, okay, to form this well which is 28 meters deep, that is its height is 28 meter. Okay, this is the height 28 meter and 2.8 meter in diameter. Okay, so diameter is 2.8, so radius will be 1.4. Also find the cost of plastering its inner. We'll come to plastering later on. First we have to find how much earth must be dug, that is the volume of the earth that must be dug. ठीक है, कितना mud निकालना है. So how much mud will you remove to form this well? This whole volume must be dug. Okay, we know volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So let us write down the given first. Given for a cylindrical well, we are given height that is 28 meters and diameter which is 2.8 meters. So therefore I can say radius is 2.8 upon 2 which is nothing but 1.4 meters. Okay, both of them are given in meters. Okay, so it's alright, we don't need to convert anything. Now we have to find the volume. So volume of earth that must be dug it will be pi r square h 22 upon 7 into r is 1.4 square है, r square is 1.4 into 1.4 into 28. 7 4s are 28. We'll multiply this. Okay, on multiplying we get 172.48 centimeter cube. Please write down the unit, it's very important. So the statement will be volume of earth that must be dug to make the well is 172.48 centimeter cube. Okay, now coming to the second part of the question. Also find the cost of plastering its inner surface at rupees 4.5 per square meter. Cost of plastering the inner surface. ठीक है, you are plastering the inner surface of the well, not the outer surface. So if this is the well, ठीक है, it will have some thickness. It is like a hollow cylinder. Okay, so only inner surface को plaster करना है, inner वाला cylinder है. Okay, so inner cylinder, what will be the area of that? We'll consider only curved surface area. Okay, upper surface is open and down part में mud रहेगा. So we consider only the curved surface area of the inner circle. ठीक है, so inner surface का area will be curved surface area, that is nothing but 2 pi rh. Okay, so first we need to find out what is the area of the curved surface, that is the inner surface of the well. Okay, and that we'll multiply by the cost of per square meter of plastering. ठीक है, so first we have to find the area. So inner surface of well is curved surface area of cylinder. You have to write the full word, ठीक है? No use of short forms. Now curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 upon 7 into R is 1.4 and H is 28. 7 4s are 28. We are left with 2 into 22 into 1.4 into 4. It is 246.4 centimeter square. Please don't forget unit. So the area of inner surface of well. So you will write down here area of inner surface of well is 246.4 centimeter square. Now coming to the costing. Cost of plastering 1 meter square is 4.5 rupees. ठीक है? So cost of plastering (246.4 centimeter square) will be, sorry, meter square, sorry, not centimeter but meter. It is 246.4 into 4.50. This gives 1108.80 rupees. Okay, so that is the cost and this is the area. Okay, moving on to next question. Question number 5. What length of solid cylinder 2 centimeter in diameter must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder of external diameter 20 centimeter, 0.25 centimeter thick and 15 centimeter long? What length of solid cylinder? एक solid cylinder है, all right? This is the solid cylinder, 2 centimeter in diameter. Diameter is 2 centimeter. Now we are asked the length, मतलब we don't know this height. ठीक है, height find करना है. What is the height of this cylinder? So what is the height of this solid cylinder? It must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder. This solid cylinder, उसको melt करके recast करके you are making it a hollow cylinder. मतलब this whole material is being used. Okay, nothing is being wasted. So this material, this whole thing, solid cylinder is, so it is completely filled. It is melted and recast into hollow cylinder of external diameter. You are given the dimensions of this hollow cylinder. External diameter, that is this outer part ka diameter is 20 centimeter. 0.25 centimeter thick. This thickness is given. ठीक है? This thickness we know is nothing but r minus small r. It is given as 0.25 centimeter. And 15 centimeter long. Height is also given. So we are melting this whole thing and converting it into hollow cylinder. मतलब this whole volume, ठीक है, not surface area. We are not talking only about the surface. Surface को ही melt करके नहीं कर रहे. We are melting this whole cylinder and recasting it. So volume of this is equal to volume of this ring that is formed. ठीक है, this hollow cylinder that is formed. Volume of the material of hollow cylinder will be equal to volume of this. Okay, so volume of material का बात हो रहा है, not volume of this part. Okay, this part will remain empty, only this part is filled. ठीक है, so we have to find the height, we'll get this height by comparing the volumes of these two. Okay, writing down the given, we are given first solid cylinder. ठीक है, so for solid cylinder we have to find the volume and we are given diameter 2 centimeter. Let me number this as 1. ठीक है, D1, and therefore R is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, and height we are supposed to find, so number this as this, and H1 we don't know. What will be the volume of this solid cylinder? It is pi r square h. Okay, that is 22 upon 7 into this is 1, this is 1. ठीक है, r1 square है h1. Now r1 square, that is 1 square into h1. This gives 22 upon 7 into h1. This is the volume of solid cylinder. Now let us find the volume of this hollow cylinder, the material used in this hollow cylinder. For hollow cylinder, we have to write down the dimensions. External diameter is given, that is capital T is 20 centimeter, means radius is 10 centimeter, and thickness is given, that is r minus r is 0.25 centimeter, and 15 centimeter long height is given. Okay, now we'll find the volume of material for this hollow cylinder. So volume of material used to make hollow cylinder is pi r square minus r square into h. Okay, we can find small r very easily from here. R दिया है and r minus r is given, so what is going to be the small r? It will be 9.75. ठीक है, you just subtract 2.5 from this, sorry 0.25 from 10, so you'll get 9.75 centimeters. Okay, now pi r, capital R square minus small r square h, 22 upon 7 r square minus r square. What I'll do here is, this is of the form a square minus b square, so I can write it as a minus b, a plus b. Okay, that is what I am doing here. You can directly find squares of both these r ka square and this small r ka square and subtract it, but I would suggest that you use formula a square minus b square over here. It will become easy. So this will become r minus r into r plus r into h, that is nothing but 22 upon 7 into r minus r, it is given 0.25, r plus r क्या होगा, r plus this r, that is 19.75 into h, that is 15. Now it becomes easy. Okay, otherwise if you find the square of these two and then subtract it, somewhere you might make calculation mistake. So this would be easier method. Now we'll compare the volumes. ठीक है, this volume is equal to this volume because this whole thing is melt and made into this hollow cylinder. So this is equal to this, and that is how we'll get H1. These two are equal, right? Now volume of solid cylinder is 22 H1 upon 7. It is equal to 22/7. I've erased this by mistake. 0.25 है into 19.75 into 15. Okay, 22 gets cancelled, 7 gets cancelled. We are left with H1 is equal to 0.25 into 19.75 into 15. Don't multiply when you're solving only this part. Okay, when you're solving this part, don't multiply the numbers. Somewhere something might get cancelled. So 22/7 got cancelled on both the sides. So don't multiply. Okay. Now we'll find H1 from this. It is 74.0625 centimeters. ठीक है. Now we have to round off this number to 2 digits. So 74.0625 है. Now this is 5. So I will add 1 to this. It will become 3. Now 3 is less than 5. Okay. So you will not add this to 6. ठीक है. So 74.06 as it is रहेगा. Okay. This is the rounded off value. So H1 is equal to 74.06 centimeter. Hence you write down the statement, the length of the solid cylinder is 74.06 centimeters. Moving on to next question. Question number 6. A cylinder has a diameter of 20 centimeter. The area of the curved surface is 100 centimeter square. Find first part the height of the cylinder correct to 1 decimal place and second part the volume of the cylinder correct to 1 decimal place. It's very easy. You are given cylinder का diameter over here and curved surface area. Okay. So we'll write down the given. For a cylinder, don't use short forms. Diameter is given. It is 20 centimeter. And curved surface area, CSA is 100 centimeter square. Centimeter दिया हुआ है. Just check the units always. Okay. Now we have to find the height of the cylinder in first part. It's very easy. We know curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Okay. We are given the curved surface area. We are given the diameter. Radius मिल जाएगा. We have to find height only. So we'll write down the radius first. Radius is d/2, which is 20/2, which is nothing but 10 centimeters. Okay. Now CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Okay. And this is 100 is equal to 2 into 22/7 into 10 into H. Now we'll shift everything over here. I want only H on one side. ठीक है. So I'll keep H as it is. This is in denominator. This will go in numerator. ठीक है. It will get multiplied to the numerator. And all these which are in numerator will go in the denominator. So this is 2 into 22 into 10. This gets cancelled. 2 5s are. ठीक है. So we have H equal to 35/22. 35/22 will give 1.590. But we are told the height of the cylinder correct to 1 decimal place. We want only 1 decimal number. ठीक है. So we'll round it off. This is 0. ठीक है. 1.59 हो गया. Now this one is greater than 5. So we'll add 1 to this. So it will become 6. So 1.6 centimeters हो जाएगा. Now coming to the second part, we have to find the volume of the cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi is 22/7, r is 10. ठीक है. And h we just found out it's 1.6. You have to consider rounded off value. Okay. You will not consider 1.59. You will consider rounded off value. नाउ कुछ भी कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है, सो वील मल्टीप्लाई, ठीक है. दिस गिव्स 3520 अपॉन 7. ओके, 3520 upon 7 will give 502.857. Volume है, so it is centimeter cube. Okay. Now we have to round this off because we want correct to 1 decimal place. So it will become 502 point. I'll add 1 to this. ठीक है. It is greater than 5, so 8 6 हो जाएगा. This one is also 6 is greater than 5, so I'll add 1 to this, so it will become 9. So centimeter cube. This is the final answer. So volume of cylinder. Please don't use short forms. ठीक है. I've written in short form में because I don't have enough space to write this. So volume of cylinder correct to 1 decimal place is 502.9 centimeter cube. Moving on to next question. Question number 7. A metal pipe has a bore that is inner diameter of 5 centimeter. The pipe is 5 mm thick all around. Find the weight in kilogram of 2 meters of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of the metal weighs 7.7 gram. You are given a metal pipe. Pipe is hollow cylinder. Okay. So there is a hollow cylinder and we are given some data about that. So we have a hollow cylinder given. We are given it has inner diameter of 5 centimeter. Inner diameter, that is small d, is 5 centimeter. So small r will be 5 by 2, that is 2.5 centimeter. The pipe is 5 mm thick all around. You are given the thickness. Okay, so thickness is nothing but r minus r, big R minus small r. So r minus r is equal to 5 mm. Now we have this in centimeter, so let us convert this also into centimeter. So this will become 0.5 centimeter. ठीक है. Millimeter to centimeter you divide by 10. Alright, from smaller unit to bigger unit, and we know 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So we are dividing by 10. Okay. So this is the thickness. Now find the weight in kilogram of 2 meters of the pipe. 2 meters का length है pipe का. That is the height is given. The height of the pipe is 2 meters. Now this is in meters. So we'll convert this also into centimeter. So we know that 200 centimeter will give 2 meters. ठीक है. We'll multiply by 100. Bigger to smaller. So meter to centimeter, we know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 2 meter will be 200 centimeter. Now find the weight in kilogram of 2 meters of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of the metal weighs 7.7 gram. Now we have to find the weight of the pipe. ठीक है. Weight of the pipe in kilograms. Now forget about kilograms. We have to find the weight. Now weight क्या होगा? Weight is the total volume of the pipe. ठीक है. How much volume the pipe occupies. Now what is the volume of the pipe? We know that it is hollow. So we have to find the volume of the material of the pipe. ठीक है. There is this pipe which has some thickness. ठीक है. Now we know it is hollow. So what is the weight of the pipe? The weight of the pipe is this part. ठीक है. So we have to find the weight of this. Weight of this is nothing but volume of the pipe. Okay, कितना volume है, कितना material है, that is the weight. So what is the volume of the material of the pipe? It is volume of material of hollow cylinder, and volume of hollow cylinder is nothing but pi r square, that is capital R square minus small r square into h. Okay, so we'll use that formula to find the volume first. So volume of pipe, that is hollow cylinder, is capital R square minus small r square into h. Okay, now what I'll do again, this is of the form a square minus b square, so I'll write it as a minus b into a plus b. ठीक है, now this is 22 upon 7 r minus r, it is given to us 0.5 centimeter. ठीक है, r plus r we are supposed to find. Now we have small r and we have r minus r, so what will be capital R? It is 2.5 plus 0.5. ठीक है, I'll show you how. R is 2.5. ठीक है, substitute that over here. R minus 2.5 is equal to 0.5. I'll shift this, so R is 0.5 plus 2.5, so it is 3 centimeter. Okay, so R is 3 centimeter. So R plus R, 3 plus 2.5 will give 5.5. I am directly substituting. You are supposed to show r minus r is already given and r plus r, that is 3 plus 2.5, and in next step you will write 5.5. okay, into h is 200 centimeter. Now nothing is getting cancelled, so what we'll do, we'll multiply everything in the numerator and then divide by 7. Okay, now volume of the pipe is, multiplying everything, now I'll give 1 0 over here and 1 0 over here. So what will happen, decimal nikal jayega. Okay, this will become 5 and this will become 55. So to make it easy, into 2 upon 7. Now we'll multiply everything in the numerator. Now this will give 12100 upon 7. On solving this, we get 1728.57 centimeter cube. Don't forget the unit. So volume of the pipe we got. Now we have to find the weight in kilogram. We have to find the weight. We have got in terms of centimeter cube, and we are told that 1 centimeter cube is 7.7 grams. Okay, if 1 centimeter cube of the metal weighs 7.7 gram, so 1 centimeter cube is 7.7 grams, then this much centimeter cube is equal to how many grams? We'll cross multiply. Now 1 centimeter cube is 7.7 grams, then 1728.57 centimeter cube is equal to how many grams? So when we cross multiply, what will we get? We get weight as 7.7 into 1728.57 centimeter cube. ठीक है, so weight of 1 centimeter cube of metal is equal to 7.7 grams. So weight of 1728.57 centimeter cube of metal is 1728.57 into 7.7. You have to multiply this. Be careful with the decimal point aayega after 3 places. Okay, 1 over here and 2 over here, so decimal point will come after 3 numbers. This gives 13309.989. ठीक है, now this value is in grams. Okay, we are given 7.7 grams. Let us find the weight in kilogram because we are asked to weigh or find the weight in kilograms. So obviously when we are converting from grams to kilograms, we'll divide by 1000. Okay, so we'll divide by 1000. Kilogram. Okay, now decimal place will get shifted. Okay, so it will shift 3 places to the left. You'll write down the statement over your weight of the metal is equal to 13.309989. Obviously we can't keep such long number, so what we'll do, we'll round it off. Now यहाँ पे itself it is 9, so we'll round it off to 1. ठीक है, over here this will become 1. We'll add 1 over here. Okay, up to 2 decimal places. Kilogram. So this is the volume of the pipe. Please don't forget, don't leave it on grams. Okay, we are asked over here find the weight in kilogram. So read the question carefully and then convert it to kilograms. All right, moving on to next question. Question number 8. A cylindrical container with diameter of base 42 centimeter contains sufficient water to submerge a rectangular solid of iron with dimensions 22 centimeter into 14 centimeter into 10.5 centimeter. Find the rise in level of the water when the solid is submerged. There is a cylindrical container. ठीक है, so let us draw a cylindrical container first. ठीक है, now this cylindrical container with diameter of base 42 centimeter, we are given diameter, it is 42 centimeter, matlab radius is 21 centimeter, and it contains sufficient water to submerge a rectangular solid. Submerge a rectangular solid, पूरा rectangular solid जो है, it will go inside the water. Okay, so it has some amount of water in it. And we are putting rectangular solid inside this water. So we are given the dimensions of this rectangular solid, length, breadth and height. Okay, so when you put this solid inside, okay, it will submerge in the water. Okay, now when it will go inside the water, it will displace some amount of water. There will be rise in the water level. So we have to find the rise in level of the water when the solid is submerged. When you will put it inside, water का level थोड़ा सा rise हो जाएगा. से initially यहाँ पे था तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Okay, so we have to find this height. What is the rise in level? Now pay attention. ये जो rise in level है, okay, वो जो राइज इन लेवल होगा वो भी सिलेंड्रिकल फॉर्म में ही होगा, तो वाटर इज गोइंग टू टेक द शेप ऑफ द सिलेंडर. ठीक है, सो दिस वाटर इज ऑक्यूपाइंग सिलेंड्रिकल शेप इनसाइड. इट इज राउंड विथ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ हाइट, सो इट इज ऑक्यूपाइंग सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ वॉल्यूम. ओके, इट इज ऑक्यूपाइंग सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ वॉल्यूम. दिस वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर because it is occupying like this place. ठीक है, up to certain height. Area of the circle is pi r square up to certain height. So it is basically occupying volume of some cylinder. All right, now we know volume of the rectangular solid. So volume of this rectangular solid is equal to the volume of the water displaced. जो solid डाला है उसका वॉल्यूम विल बी इक्वल टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. ओके, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इज नथिंग बट पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एंटायर हाइट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस हाइट. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस rectangular solid. We can easily find volume of rectangular solid. We are given length, breadth and height. So L into B into H will give me this, and I can easily find the rise in level of the height. This height I can easily find because I know R, I know pi. and I know this RHS. So I can easily find the rise in level of the height. Please pay attention, यहाँ पे height मतलब we are not talking about this entire height of water or the height of the solid. We are talking only about the height in the rise in the height of the water. ठीक है, only about this thing. This volume, okay, this volume is equal to volume of this. Archimedes principle हम लोग ने पढ़ा है. So the volume of the solid is equal to volume of the water displaced. So this much is the volume of the water displaced. And what will be the volume of this much? The height of this into pi r square, that is nothing but volume of the cylinder. Okay, so volume of some cylindrical surface into this volume of solid is equal to the volume of this solid, and that is how we'll get the height of the water displaced. Okay, now let us start with the easy part, that is we'll start with the volume of the iron. ठीक है, the rectangular solid of made of iron. So given me for rectangular solid, what are we given? Length, breadth and height. Length is 22 centimeter, breadth is 14 centimeter and height is 10.5 centimeter. ठीक है, now volume will be L into B into H. Okay, volume of is L into B into H, which is 22 into 14 into 10.5. Don't multiply this, let this remain as it is, because we are going to take this equal to the volume of the cylinder. Okay, so something will get cancelled out. So keep this as it is. This is centimeter cube. Okay, now we have to write some statement over here. When the solid is immersed in the water, what will happen? The water level will rise. Okay, so when the rectangular solid is immersed in the water level will rise. ठीक है, the rise in volume of the water, we are talking about the volume of the water, ठीक है, is equal to what? Is equal to volume of the rectangular solid. Write this on the next line. ठीक है, write this statement, this entire statement, rise in volume of the water is equal to volume of rectangular solid, and don't use short forms. Okay, so we got this. Now what is the rise in the volume of the water? We have to write that first. We know volume of rectangular solid. Let us find this. So the rise in volume of water का shape क्या होगा in cylinder? It will take the shape of the cylinder itself. So it is nothing but pi r square. We will not take h over here because small h is already used over here. We will use capital H. Okay. And for cylinder you have to write the data. I forgot to write the data. For cylinder you write down, we are given diameter. So diameter is 42 centimeter. Therefore radius will be 21 centimeter. Okay, and over here height of the cylinder is not required because there is no use finding the height of the cylinder. The only thing we have to find is the rise in the level of the water. Okay, how much height, कितना height बढ़ रहा है? So 22/7 into r square, that is 21 into 21 into h. Okay, now this thing is equal to this thing. We'll equate this, ठीक है, and find h. So therefore volume of rise in water, we are not talking about entire water or cylinder, we are talking about volume of the rise in the water. कितना rise हुआ है उसका volume is equal to volume of rectangular solid. This is volume of rice in water is this. So 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 into H is equal to 22 into 14 into 10.5. Okay, I can cancel out this. 7 3s are 21. So 22 into 3 into 21 into H is equal to 22 into 14 into 10.5. We'll shift everything over here. Everything will go in the denominator because it is in numerator over here. So 22 into 14 into 10.5 upon 22 into 3 into 21. 22 will get cancelled. 10.5 into 2 gives 21. ठीक है, 2 7s are 7 upon 3. Now 7 upon 3. So the height is 2.33. ठीक है. So if you round it off, it is 2.33 centimeters. Okay. So the rise in level of water. ठीक है. Find the rise in level of water. It is 2.33 centimeters. So you'll write down the statement. Okay. Now if you don't want to write this in decimal form, what you can do is you can stop over here itself and then divide. So if you divide 3 2s are 6. ठीक है, 1 बचेगा. I'll write this in mixed fraction form. ठीक है, 3 2s are 6 तो 2 हो गया. ठीक है, 3 2s are 6 डिवाइड किया. What we are left with is 1, remainder 1 बचा है. Okay, so 1 upon we were dividing by 3. ठीक है, I'll explain it once again. We'll divide 7 by 3. तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3 2s are 6 and we are left with remainder 1. What you will do? 3 2s are 6. So 2 will come over here. Okay, the quotient and remainder, that is 1 upon the divisor. Okay, so quotient, remainder upon divisor. That will give you the mixed fraction form. So you can write it also like this. 2 3 centimeter. ठीक है, this is the height.